On a good Monday morning, I'm Howard Bernstein. The week starts on a quiet note, but we will have a couple of issues, especially tomorrow afternoon. Today, the only problem, the wind. It's going to get breezy after not too much wind this morning. We'll see winds gusting at times, I think 20, maybe 25 this afternoon, upper 40s and low 50s. But we do have a chance for snow in spots on Tuesday. It'll be in the afternoon. Roads are going to be generally wet, even where it snows, generally wet roads. That can't rule out an isolated slick spot, but we're talking temperatures today 40s to around 50, if not the low 50s. So the roads start out warm, and tomorrow we'll have temps in the 30s to near 40. So much will melt. The light grassy accumulations, trace to an inch for most, especially north and west. Could see an inch or two in the mountains, but if you're D.C. south and east, it should be a coating at worst on the grass and mulch. That's it. This is not our storm. We're still looking at a system or two or three coming in off the Pacific, and as long as the rain and snow come, and these storms coming off the Pacific producing the rain and snow, that'll bring relatively mild air into the country. Temperatures this morning in Alaska were 20, 30, 40 below northwest Canada, but that cold air, that Arctic air is locked up there. Here's our next weather maker taking shape this morning in eastern Nebraska with a weaker system to the north. That produced a little bit of snow overnight in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. So today that system leaves a little bit breezy behind it, but that's it. A quiet Monday afternoon. Tonight, clear to partly to mostly cloudy. Tomorrow starts out dry, but by 9:30, notice the rain and the snow coming out of West Virginia, approaching Virginia here by 9:30. As we head toward 1 o'clock, west of the Blue Ridge into the mountains, looking at snow. More so Shenandoah Valley and west, with some rain trying to develop for the I-95 corridor as we head toward early to mid-afternoon. North and west, a better chance for some wet snow. But with temperatures tomorrow afternoon in the 30s, mid to upper 30s, it would have to be thumping snow to overcome the melting. I don't think that's going to happen. That's why the roads will be wet. But could we pick up an inch, give or take, on some of the higher elevations, the grass, the mulch, elevated surfaces? Sure. And then by 6:30, notice this system is already pulling away, leaving us breezy and colder for Wednesday and Thursday. As far as the snow amounts, I'll show you the European model. I've even drawn a snow map. This is the snow potential from the Euro. And you'll notice, yeah, 0.7, 0.5, even south and east. But even if we mix in with snow down here, the odds of it sticking are very low. This is why areas west of the Blue Ridge have that chance for 1 to an isolated 2-inch total, and a little bit more in the mountains. But it has been a rough winter for snow lovers, and I see no reason that this pattern after a couple of chilly days is not going to get back to an unseasonably mild stretch here for the next 1 to 2 weeks. Partly to mostly sunny this morning, cold and dry, and then this afternoon, sunny, breezy, upper 40s to low 50s. Could have some gusts toward 20, 25. Tomorrow, the afternoon, rain and snow, 40. Blustery on Wednesday, 42 to low, feel colder. Cold on Thursday with less wind. And then much warmer air gets here by the weekend. Chance for a shower Friday. Better chance we'll see some rain with the warmth on Saturday.